Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Applovin Corporation. Applovin Corporation sits above the 950 and 200-day EMAs. Trend support is building underneath today. The stock is gained by 3.0%, and the 30-day trend points to an uptrend. Price is above the 950 and 200-day EMAs, confirming a strong uptrend across time frames. There's an upward gap between $557.77 and $563.50 that is still open. A full gap fill would imply roughly a 9.7% pullback from current levels. Price is pushed above the falling short-term resistance zone near 612.12. As long as it holds above this band, a reversal of the prior short-term downtrend is in play. A close back below would signal that sellers are regaining control. Midterm resistance is clustered near 727.49. Between the midterm and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near 745.61. If current momentum continues, a measured move points toward a long-term objective near $828.28. The long-term roadmap is active, with 4 of 4 key confirmations in place, including downtrend break, prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed, EMA 200 reclaimed. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 32 to 60 sessions, or roughly 9.2 weeks. Invalidation sits near $489.30 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is building. Both MACD and RSI are confirming the current strength. In a similar MACD cycle between April 22nd and June 09, the price saw an increase of around 61.4%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price has broken above the short-term channel, signaling firm bullish momentum. If this breakout can hold, a reasonable upside projection sits near $666.7. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading very close to the 50%, 617.46. Fibonacci retracement level, with the 38% retracement near 647.70 below, and the 61% level around 587.21 above. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 815.33, Fib 1.27, and then 904.01, Fib 1.62. Looking at Applovin Corporation today, the market is giving us a bullish read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently above its medium-term moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 58.4, while MACD is above its signal line, which hints at building strength in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main tactical trigger to keep on the radar is around $727. If price manages to close above $727 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $489, where this roadmap would start to lose its reliability. On the upside, if the current trend can stay intact, a measured move roadmap to monitor is $828, as the long-term measured move objective $1,016, as a 1.618 extension, $1,319, as a 2.618 extension. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $627, support near $608, a midterm target around $727, a long-term projection close to $828. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or rolls into a deeper corrective phase. Here are the latest updates for Applovin Corporation. The most recent headline is Playtika's WSOP PLTK app launches NFL team collectibles and 13-week rewards. That wraps up this technical analysis on Applovin Corporation. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.